All right, did some pretty major carnage. Took down some big trees. That butternut and that cherry tree, I think. Cherry tree. Now, that needs to come down. It's just in the way. There's stuff in the way, to take it down. Those two trees I'm going to leave burnt for now because they're on the north. I don't know, maybe they'll have some benefit of shade, and actually that one hangs over the neighbor's property anyway, so I can't use anything under it, so it's not hurting anything being there. But super cloudy today, passing thunder showers and whatnot. I haven't been hit, but I see them going around me. So without the sun, I really need the sun and a new day to get a perspective before I go taking anything more down. I don't want to go too get too trigger happy, like I took this big daddy right here, and I really want to take the one next to it, but I don't know, I'm apprehensive for some reason. Just don't want to go too far, because the main goal anyway is to open the canopy up to get some more sun in the back. This being the south side. Still quite a bit of tree there. And there's a decent hole here, but there's kind of a meadow, if you want to call it, in here. As soon as those stupid bushes, whatever those are, they're all over the place. Take out some of those, but I still don't think I'm gonna get a whole lot of sun coming through here. So I don't know how many hours of sun I can get back here to grow something is the whole point. Focusing sort of on this back corner. I kind of have a hole here. But I still got these. Wait, that one. Those three. Any of these small ones in between, I think. Maybe. Actually, I might. Well, that one's toast, but it got hit by this other one falling. My camera back there didn't get touched. It's close. But yeah, that one's coming down. But I can't really go too much further without getting on the neighbor's property. So, and I'm also looking at some way to get a piece of equipment back here, like a mini axe, to dig up some stumps and whatnot. So I would like even if it's convoluted, I prefer convoluted, some way of driving back here through there, making a path or a road, so a full car can drive back here. It would make things a lot more convenient. I really want it. I'm going to open it up over there, but so much crap in the way. And I'm gonna want this passage over here anyway, so both of them, so it doesn't matter. But now I think I'll just chop things up. I am going to keep the nice straight butternuts, especially these fat ones, probably up until it splits there or forks. There's one thing about the butternuts, they're pretty straight. And then I'm going to cut boards out of them for basically 12-foot long boards, if I can get them to 12 feet, for shingles, for a lean-to that comes off here, and it'll be kind of a storage slash shop slash who knows, but that'll just be an angled roof. Well, it won't go to the ground, but that comes later. I gotta clear this out because it needs. I'm thinking I'm gonna come out about 12 feet, at least 10 feet, maybe 12 feet, and see like a post. What do you call it? Post and beam, and basically big butternut shingles, 12-foot long butternut shingles, and then just whatever I decide on the sides. It'll probably be opened this year all the way up until, I mean, when I haven't even built it yet, but I probably wouldn't close it up until just before winter, putting firewood, or not firewood, but things I burn, pellets and wood bricks and whatnot in there, keep those dry and handy, and I don't have to store them inside my house, which sucks. So yep, looks like a huge mess. It'll get clean at some point.